Well, hello there and welcome back, you lovely lot. Today I'm going to share with you a delivery I've had from CJP. These are the shades that I have, a couple of core Pradas, along with some new brushes. That's right, CJP have released a line of brushes. Let's get stuck in. Okay, so first of all, let's look at these beautiful brushes. So I have Tiny Touches, I have Slant Slayer, and I have 3D Gel Dinky. Can you see that? There we go, just there. So they come in this tube and they've all got lids. I love brushes with lids. So as you can see, this is a tiny detail brush. I'm working on my art at the moment. Isn't that gorgeous? And that comes with a lid. And then we have Slant Slayer. Look at that beautiful rose gold, isn't that gorgeous? And that's for one stroke. Can't wait to have a play with these. And then the third brush that I got is Tiny Touches. Again in this beautiful rose gold with the CJP Diamante heart design on there. Again with a lid. Oh. Okay, so perfect. So I'm really happy with those. So I will endeavour to use those and get my artwork up to scratch. Now, another thing I want to bring to your attention as well is I've got these two new colours. I don't have these in CJP. I have the old set. So I was looking at like the old pots that I've got compared to the new ones. So I've dug out my old CJP and this is what they used to come as. 10 gram, chock-a-block they were, and that was the old design. And this is the new. A little bit bigger pot, which I love. It means that when you open it, everything stays intact. That's up to the 10 gram, and then you've got a tiny bit of leeway. So there's the difference. Isn't that great? So I have actually been, I have actually been looking at those. So we've got new improved pots. We've also got a new improved size, 25 grams. So the difference in these compared to the 10 gram pot. I love the fact that we've got a choice. Do you know what I mean? We can decide which one we want. So I got two of those in the 25 gram pots. And what we're going to do is swatch them and have a look. So let's get cracking. Okay, so we're going to have a look at Honey Pearl. Now my nail friend said to me, oh, gotta get a tray, it's brilliant, it's great. So look at that, can you see that? Oh my word, look at that shimmer, it's awesome. Blinding, blinding. So let's swatch that, have a look. Okay. Look at that, that's a lovely shade that. It's like a skin. It's on the peachy side, this one, but it's got the most gorgeous shimmer through it. That is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Oh, I really do like that. Can you see? Ignore my nails, guys. I've been at work this week and I've been tearing open boxes and totally trash. So that's on the to-do list. Let's leave that there so that we can see that. It's on my to-do list because just giving it a little shake. Fantasy. Now again, this is a new one to me. I have cherry blossom brush and put my teeth in. Wow, cherry blossom blush. I hadn't had any, I promise. What else. Birthday suit, peach sorbet, you know, those sort of shades or more. That's another one. But I haven't had these two, so let's have a look and swatch this one. Oh, I like this. Oh, I do like this. Isn't that lovely? I've got a bit of dirt on my pot there, but look at that. Isn't that awesome? So that's that one. So that's Fantasy. I think what I'll do, as soon as I've done this, I will take this gel polish off and look at getting some new nails on myself. I want to have a nice long pair. Right, Supernova, I saw this and I just couldn't help but get this. So this is the new 25-gram pot, Supernova. Let's have a Butchers. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, iridescent flakes in there, glitter. Let's swatch it for you. Let's have a look. Now, I ordered these when I got back off holiday, but I haven't been able to swatch them because I couldn't do the pop sticks. My printer decided to go kaput and it completely stopped. It like ran out of print, like the black print. So anyway, that came yesterday. So I printed the labels and I thought we'd get this done for you ASAP. Ooh, look at that beauty. And that's Supernova. So yeah, I've done the labels on them, look, printed them out. I couldn't not do it without. Right, give this a little shake. This is Hot Ember. You already know that I got the autumn kit. I did a video on that. I will link that below for anybody who wants to check out those colours. They are absolutely fantastic. Wow, look at that. So yeah, I got me CJP colours out. So I used to use it a while ago. And I couldn't get on with it. I really couldn't. And I think it was me just being inexperienced with it. So that's Hot Embers. See where it's drying already and still wet. I'll put that up there, out the way. Yeah, so I've revamped some of the ones that I absolutely loved before. So that was Sapphire's, like, oh god, it's one of my faves. Sapphire and what's the other one? Mulberry. Now, I didn't know, or didn't buy rather, CJP when it did Loganberry, if anybody can remember that. And then they brought out the Mulberry and I loved it. So I got my pot out and there's like, I don't know even why I kept the pot, there was that lesser powder inside. So I ordered that. So on my last order with CJP, I topped up on the old colours that I needed. This is Carabine Green. I saw a green set done by the lovely Stacey Richardson, and she did green, and oh, I love green. I don't know what it is about green, but I do like it. And in that set was Carabine Green and this one, Grasshopper. So I thought I would have a go with these shades. I like together, they were really, really great. So I thought we'll try it. There we go. Maneuver that down. So I'm looking forward to doing a set with them because I haven't used CJP in a long, long time. 2 years to be exact. Like I said, I got it when I first started. This is Grasshopper. Isn't that beautiful green? Proper autumnal that. So, let's have a look, see what else we've got. This is another one that I had before and I have had to buy again, let's say, shall we? Again, it's a beautiful dark shade. Perfect for these winter months that are coming up. Now this changes colour. Purple and damson. Obviously with the heat on your hand. And I don't know what it is about purple. I do tend to have a thing about pink and purple. Sorry faffing around there. So you won't actually see it on this because it's a pop, so this will be cold. I've not filled it in. Shall I do it properly? Come on, try do it properly. You'll all think it's patchy and it's not. I've not done it properly. There we are. See? Do it properly and that colour just pops. Obviously the bottom's wet. But that goes purple and damson, so. Oh, I keep forgetting about these. Never used to have those either. I do love it. I think it's brilliant. So my friend, like I said, she's a nail tech, and she's like, Trey, you need to get it out. You need to have another go with it. She says, and while you're at it, you need to get honey pearl. So I'm like, really? She's like, yeah, you do. So here we are. Nice. If you can see the scratches on the back of my hand, ignore it. It's my little puppy. She gets a little bit excited. So here we're going for pomegranate. She gets a little bit excited, she does. She just can't help herself. Right, let's have a look at this baby. Beautiful, rich chocolate brown. Very, very nice. Just bleed the back of that bead out a little bit so we can get the true colour. There we go. That's pomegranate. Look at that. So let's pop the seal on and the lid. Pop that back there. Now we have black cherry. Now, as a rule, I really don't like a lot of people don't like white. But I've found a couple of whites that, excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. A couple of whites that I can actually work with that are really, really nice. But black, oh. But I am loving this, look at that. Let's just see if I can put the pigment in that. Wow. Clean my brush off. Okay, black cherry, that one. That is really, really nice. Look at it. It's got like a proper cherry red in there. Oh, I can't wait to use that. And last but not least, we have elderberry, again in the new 25 gram pot. Woo, look at that. Look at that. Whew. That's close to the edge, that one. Just bleed the brush out. And let's swatch this, guys. Let's have a look at this beautiful rich. Oh that. I have so many nice colours. It's like that autumnal set. I got it before I went away, and I haven't picked up acrylics. It's going to be 3 weeks since I've done acrylics. I've done a couple of gel sets and a couple of nail haul for you since I got back, but I haven't picked up acrylic, and it's like, what shall I do? I've got all these beautiful colours. Oh, put my brush out of the way. There you are, elderberry. How gorgeous is that? So there you have it, guys. That's all the colours in today's haul. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you would. Until next time, guys, thank you for tuning in today. Bye.